Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sarah. In this video, I'm going to be doing my February Glam Bag X box. So if you're interested, keep watching and let's do it. Alright, so I don't know what's going up first, but I just did my BoxyCharm. I filmed my BoxyCharm video, and this is not a Mardi Gras tutorial because I did this look on a quick and easy Mardi Gras look on my TikTok. So if you want to check that out, check that out. But this is not a Mardi Gras tutorial. This is a Ipsy unboxing of my February Glam X. So I do have a bunch of boxes left from previous months that I was not able to film due to holiday, and then I had COVID, and then blah 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 blah, right? So if you are interested, I might open my Boxy and Ipsy boxes together. If y'all interested in that, let me know. So let's get on to the February Glam Bag X. This one is curated by Addison Rae. It says everything you need to take you back to the 90s. So let's open her up and see what we got. This is what it looks like. Doesn't look like too big of items. Kind of smaller items. You do have a, let's see, we got a booklet in here. February 2022 Glam Bag X. It says, I'm so excited to share my Ipsy Glam Bag X collection with you. If you're everything like me, you're completely obsessed with iconic throwback looks, like Cindy Crawford's voluminous blowout from a Pepsi commercial and all the warm brown makeup in the crafts. I filled my Glam Bag X collab with everything you need to take a trip back to the 90s. So that's inspired with the 90s, and it is curated by her. So let's get to it, and let's pull out some stuff that we got. The first thing I pull out is called MZ Skin by Dr. Mariam Zamani. Soothe and Smooth Hyaluronic Brightening Eye Complex. Ooh, I need that stuff. Hyaluronic acid, ceramide, tripeptide. Can't read some of it. Smooth and use morning and night. It does say it's 14 milliliters. It's an eye cream. It says, true to its name, this cream helps soothe and smooth the delicate skin around your eyes with a blend of anti-inflammatory albizia bark extract. Did I say that right? Hope so. Plumping peptides and hydrating hyaluronic acid. Using your ring finger, gently tap a small amount around your entire eye area until fully absorbed. I would recommend that with anything that you put around your eye area. You always use your ring finger because it's light touches and gentle. It says the animal-friendly formula is vegan and cruelty-free. MZ Skin is an award-winning luxury skincare collection developed by UK aesthetic Dr. Mariam Zamani. I hope I said that name and did not butcher it. The value of this item is $143. So you better help me with these old lady eyes, girl. Seems like it's really nice packaging. Oh yeah, it's in a glass bottle, which for $143, I would not expect anything less than that. Nice, nice, nice. I'm gonna try this out. Smells like just a regular like cream smell. No smells to it. I can't wait to try it. That's a good deal. 143 bucks. The next thing I pick up is from Benefit Cosmetics. This is the Professional. This is the Hydrate Primer, Face Primer. I have used this. It's a great primer. You just have to watch what you use it with. It's not my favorite for my skin concerns, but it is a good primer if you have large pores. This is what it looks like. I'm not going to open it. I'll probably give it in a giveaway because I do have like 3 of these tubes already. And probably unopened. It says face primer. It creates a barrier between your skin and your foundation to help prevent oils from wearing down your makeup. Plus it hydrates your skin for up to 12 hours with hyaluronic acid and shea butter. After your moisturizer has completely absorbed, smooth a thin layer of this primer all over your face and press it into your skin. You can wear it alone or under foundations. More reasons you'll love it. The oil-free formula feels light on your skin and won't clog your pores. Founded by two sisters in San Francisco, this quirky brand puts the fun back in makeup without sacrificing any of the quality. So that is from Benefit Cosmetics. This is the Professional, which they have the original Professional, and then now they have the Hydrate one. For people with a little drier skin, you could use the Hydrate one. And I personally like the Hydrate one better than the original. This one, the value is $32. $32. The next thing I pick up is from Tula. Tula Skincare 24/7 Moisture Hydrating Day and Night Cream. That's interesting that it says day and night. Usually I use a day cream and a night cream because it has different ingredients and it does different things. So let's see, 24/7 moisture, really nice packaging. I think it's plastic, but it's really hard plastic and dark. I will try this, so I'm going to open it because I have not tried this before. Let's see. Just smells like a cream, just like a fresh cream. It doesn't have any kind of scent to it, which is good because I don't really like scents in my skincare or for my face. It does sound like a light moisturizer that doesn't really have too many like skin ingredients in it for like wrinkles and stuff like that I normally use for nighttime use. So I think I'm gonna try this for daytime, so I can't wait to try it. The value of this item is $52. The next thing I pick up is an OG brow gel. For me personally, it's the ABH Clear Brow Gel. It's such an OG. I used to love this and use it all the time. It's a really great brow gel that won't let you down. It gives more, it lifts, but it's more natural than say like the new ABH Brow Freeze. If y'all use that, I use a Brow Freeze now. I wear it every day. Love it, love it, love it, love it. But this is more of it's a little more less freeze. So it's a little more natural, but it does lift it, and it's a clear brow gel, and it really does work. I love this. I recommend this. I used it for many, many, many years. Let's see. It says brow gel. A few swipes of this clear light brow gel will tame and polish your bare brows and can also lock in the pigments from your brow, pen, pencil, or pomade, which is all true because I can attest. Comb the wand through your brows in the same direction your hairs naturally grow. It's cruelty-free and made with vegan ingredients. So, I'm not going to open it because I think I'm going to put that in a giveaway also, since I have so many of them. I have some that's not even open, y'all. So, I'm going to put that back in a box. I'm not going to open it. It's still sealed. So, the value of this item is $22. The next thing I pull out, I'm very excited for because I've been wanting to try this brand. It's called UOMA Beauty. This says Black Magic. I've been wanting to try this brand. Been. Really, really, really nice component. Really pretty. It's all red. It says Black Magic on it. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Focus. That is so pretty. I'm going to put some on my hand and see if it transfers that glitter. It does keep that shine. Let me show you. So it keeps that. Can you see that? No. Why did I put it on my hand like that? I'm going to put some on my hand to see, show you. That's a really pretty color. Like it. I can't wait to try it. I've been wanting to try this brand. It's really heavy. It says lipstick. Love the shine of a gloss and the color payoff of a traditional lipstick. Then this lippy is about to be your new obsession. It gives your lips a reflective glow and bathes them in long-lasting rosy pigments too. Glide the bullet applicated directly over lips or apply color with a lip brush from Max Precision. It's 100% vegan and cruelty-free. The value of this item is $24. So I can't wait to try it. I can't wait to try that brand. It's just a little bit pricey, so I'm like, I don't know. Should I go for it? Have y'all tried UOMA Beauty before? Is it worth it? Let me know. The next thing I pull up is from Lily Lashes. It says Level Up Lash Enhancing Serum. I've never tried this serum, but I can't wait to try it. I love lash serums. If you get one, try to get a good one. They usually work. The ones that I've tried, they're a little expensive, but they really do work. It's called Level Up Lily Lash. I'm going to try it, so I am going to open it. It's a clear. I don't want to put it on my hand because I don't want to make it dirty and then put germs in it. This is what the component looks like. Lily lashes. I like how the detail is on there. It says it's a lash treatment, longer, thicker lashes without piling on mascara. Thanks to this enhancing serum, it's made with strengthening biotin and keratin and conditioning amino acids that's about to be your new reality. Apply directly across your upper lash line on clean, dry skin every night for 12 weeks. Once you're satisfied with the look of your lashes, continue to use it 3 times a week to maintain the results. It's vegan and cruelty free. Love that, love that, love that. The value of this item is $65, which is not that bad compared to other lash serums that I've tried. So that's really not a bad price. It's 2.2 milliliters. Let's see. So the next thing I pull up is called Starface Blast Off. It says Blast Off. This is, I think, like little pimple patches. I can't get it open. It's stuck. Oh, this is super cute. Look, that is so cute. So cute. I have tried like the Peace Out brand, which is not cheap. And I could say that I don't think I really liked it. I don't think it really worked. Those are super cute. So what you do is you put that over your little pimple, and you're supposed to wear it overnight, I believe. I'm going to read what it says. It has a little mirror in there. I don't know how to use these, but the ones that I've tried, that's what you had to do. So let's see what it says. It says acne patches. Each sticky hyalocolloid patch is clinically proven to help absorb fluid, reduce inflammation, and accelerate the wound healing process by helping to protect your pimples from outside bacteria. It says pop on one of these stickies on a whitehead and leave it on for 6 hours. Even better if you can wear it overnight. Peel it off and be amazed at how your breakout has shrunk in size. These pimple patches are ideal for sensitive skin since they don't contain harsh, dry ingredients like traditional acne spot treatments do. This is from Starface Hydro Stars. That's what the brand is. Starface. Cute, cute, cute. Cute little box or component. Ooh, the value of this item is $14.99. I know I didn't say that. Let's see. The last item I pick up is from Say Beauty. This is Mascara 101. I've been wanting to try this brand also. It is another brand that I want to try. I do have a couple of items from them that I've hadn't been. I just never did get around to trying them. So it says Thick Bold Lifted Lashes. Everybody loves a good mascara. It's like a flat black wand. Let's see what the wand looks like because I am going to use it. I haven't tried this before. It's a small wand. It looks like it would be good for your lower lash line also. I can't wait to try it. It's real spiky. It's rubbery, so hopefully it's not sticky. I hate those sticky wands that stick you in the eye. I'm like, no, sorry, can't do this. Alright, for the last item, it says mascara. Give your lashes a quickie boost with this all-natural mascara. The buildable formula gives you the look of longer, thicker lashes with just a few quick swipes. Wiggle the wand through your lashes from roots to tips. It's made with a mineral complex that helps strengthen and condition your lashes with each use. So, the value of this item is $24. That's a lot for a mascara, but not too much, you know. It's a little like in between. It's way more than drugstore. I don't know, drugstore right now is really high. Jeez, but it's more than a drugstore mascara, but a little less than like some of those luxury brands. So let's add it up and see what we got. What's the total and check it out. We had the MZ Skin Eye Cream, which $143. We had the Benefit Cosmetics, the Professional, the hydrating one, that was $32. Then we had the Tula Skincare, which was $52. The ABH Clear Brow Gel, which was $22. And then the UOMA Beauty Lip Bullet, which was $24. The Lily Lashes Serum, which was $65. And then the Starface little stickers was $14.99. And the Say mascara, which was $24. The total retail value of this box is $376.99. What a box. I like the skincare that they have in this box. Some of the items I already have that are older. Sometimes I don't like receiving older products, but they are really good products. I know because I tried. I can't wait to try the UOMA Beauty lipstick. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed. Until next time, y'all stay blessed.